How to create a new group on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a new group on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application, click on those 3 points up there and click on new group. Now you have to select members. You can search name of their profile and click on skip if you're done choosing your friends, and now choose a name, group name, for example, and click on create. Wait a second, and this is it. Now click on, and this is it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.